Well, a little update. She's white. Double pulley setup. Missions deleted. That's to be talked about later. Yeah, just normal stuff. Green stration strut, 'cause I like green. Rat's nuts deleted. You don't need to tie down your battery. That's fine. I've only had one fire doing that. Interior is still sketchy and half put together. Sketchy. That will just come right off. That's fine. But yeah. Proxy R888s. Bassett wheels, 13x7, 3-inch offset. Old wheel setup. It has, what are they? Federal Super Steels. Don't know what this wheel is. I think it's an Aero wheel. No idea. But it's 13x7, 3.5-inch offset. Those are 3-inch offset, so they poke a little bit more. That was my bad. I did it as good as I could get it. But it was wrong, but it works for the rear, so I just have to remember to get 3.5s for the front. These are coming up next. The reason I just got 2 is because this is what I was driving on. That little guy? Don't worry about that little guy. I'll say this though, these Federals, I don't know how long that's been in there, but that is still at 32 PSI. Like I checked, and it's golden. Don't worry about the white paint. The car's kind of white. But yeah, that's the little update. It's got a lot of good stuff on it now. It's header. Oh yeah. 3-inch straight pipe all the way back to a fucking fart can. Yeah, it's loud. I've been pulled over, and yes, it is loud. I'm aware that it's loud. Ghetto sub $100 paint job. Neat. That's not green. I'll do that later. But yeah, we got more parts on the way. Still have to rebuild the spare carb that I have over there. I got the rebuild kit, just need to do that. That oil cooler is going away very soon. Front oil cooler, mint. OMP, fresh rebuild on the OMP, works mint. That's also getting changed to a Sean adapter. Probably saying that wrong. That's what that bottle's for. 2-stroke, direct. No more engine oil burning, which means we can go to a synthetic. Mint. Yeah, just nice little update about it. Those tires are mint. Love those. They're sticky. Haven't really tested them, but daily driving and getting on it, once they're warm, they'll hook. I mean, granted, it's a 110 horsepower car, brand new, so it's probably nowhere near that. But they work pretty good, a lot better than the Super Steels did. It just always seems like you can never warm them up. Like they were never warm. I don't know. Somebody will make sense of that. But yeah, just a little update on the car. More goodies to come, or I should say, already on their way, just waiting for them. Spare parts. Extra struts for they're small spindle struts. These are big spindle struts. So I'm told. They're not SE struts, but I was told 84 and 85, no matter what, are big spindle. The hub's different. Don't know how that works. GSL, rear, diff, posi, limited slip. It's pretty nice, pretty fun. Yeah, we've talked about most of this car. But yeah, more will come. It's about due for its first actual oil change from daily driving it. Well, this and my bike and Subaru's dead, so this is what we have.